Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean. If you running meta ads, you gotta watch this video until the end because I'm gonna be showing you how we launch ads and get this results, right, with one of the stores and how to target the next 2025. So see you in a bit. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean TV. If you are running ads on Meta, you gotta watch this video 100% because I'm going to discussing how to target the new way, the best way in 2025. All right, let's get started. Pretty much I'm going to talk about the so-called creative testing. So going a lot of broad, right, on ad set level and audience level, and then do creative testing, a lot of creative testing on ads level. So basically what I do mostly, I go and create let's say engaging shoppers campaign for this specific brand, of course, because if you are having if you are a coach, a consultant, or you're running ads for coaches and consultants, this will be much different, right? But get shoppers, it's a behavior that has a very high average order value. So what I do is I go and create this type of audience. So Facebook payments 30 days, so those are people who are shopping a lot. Facebook payments 90 days, those are also people who are shopping a lot. And then engage shoppers. And I even made it a lot broader when I added shopping retail and online shopping, because those are also brands, not consumers, right? Not only consumers, but brands as well. So we are still broad here. We are still broad in the gender because we are 60-40 male towards female. We have also 2165. Don't look the location, because this product cannot be sold in some certain locations, but the age is super. So our perfect age here is 35-55. So we are still very broad here. It's 21 plus, and then we are all genders. And I'm just putting something that will just in order to test, right? Because this will push Facebook Meta to show our ads to a pool of people where they will be most likely to convert. So basically that's why you go straight for purchase, right? I mean, I think it's self-explanatory. Let's say you're a coach, right? You're targeting graphic designers, right? Or interior designers, right? You go and you just type interior designer and that's it. I mean, you don't have to go crazy stuff, right? And then see the quality of your leads. Then this is a little bit different story, right? But I will go for interior designers only, and it will be very broad, right? So this is the only interest. Yes, there is interest targeting at the very beginning, just to see if this works for you, like this creative. But I don't test a lot of interest. That's what I'm trying to explain here. In this specific way, I go for engaged shoppers. Once I have proven this, at least with 3-4 purchases, I go straight for very broad. Most of the time, I already know what were the creative, so I go for DCA, dynamic creative testing, dynamic creative ads, right? If I use the breakdown sometimes to go and see a breakdown, I can see only in this account, because we have a few accounts, we have 5 accounts. So basically, only in this account, the maximum spend is it's $300,000, and we generated 397. So this is great for us because we are very strong on the back end. We have huge upsells, downsells, and other products to sell. This is repurchasing product, which is with subscriptions, and we heavily use email marketing. So once we go there, we basically go on the ad level where I test. You can test both, right? DCA and just normal regular static images, videos, and also how I test it, how I test on ad level. It's I go and I use the same copy for all types of creatives, and I test at least 2 static images, at least 2 videos, and 1 carousel, right? So those are the 5 different types of creatives that I'm testing. Of course, something that is very important, it's when you test video, it's usually audio off, right, on Meta. So you 100% need to use captions. That's one of the most important things probably I gotta mention. I feel like let's say sometimes a few different texts that they've worked in the past for us, right? And a few different creatives, at least 10, right? And then this is how I scale, basically, not test, but scale the campaign, not the campaign, but the specific set of tests, set of creatives. And of course, on a very granular level, you want really, if you see that a certain video works, you test it with a lot of different hooks at the beginning, right? So create different versions. So basically, this is a video. It's absolutely the same video, 100% video, the same video, but the difference is just the beginning, the hook. They're gonna hook people to watch. And as you can see, when we go back, I don't know if it's this video. This has a great, no, this one hasn't even spent well. But let's say let's go on ad level. And for instance, this video, I'll go for videos. So hook rate, it's 45%, which is not bad, right? And video average 66 seconds. This is pretty much what we can improve 100%. And then hold rate, it's 28.06%. And how you create those columns? Actually, hook rate, video average, play, and hold rate, which is the most important thing actually to watch in your videos, in your creative videos. Is basically you go to customize columns. Our customized columns are hold rate, and it's true plays divided by 3-second video plays. This is okay. How you create it is basically click here, create custom metric for the metrics, and for a hold rate, it's true plays divided by 3-second video plays. And how you measure hook rate is when you divide 3-second video plays by impressions and give it percentage, of course. Here in the format, give it percentage. Hook rate, access for everyone, only for you. It's really up to you. And yeah, when you come back here, also percentage. It doesn't have to be. It should be percentage, not numeric, not currency. Okay, this is how you create it, custom metric. And of course, you need to create the conversion rate, which is purchases divided by link clicks, as you can see here. And also average order value, which is purchase conversion value divided by purchase. Basically, revenue divided by number of purchases. And this is how you measure your success. Those are, of course, soft metrics. Soft metrics means that you need to watch also your CTR and CPM, but also look at the hard metrics, which are purchases, which is the most important thing, and ROAS. ROAS and purchases, specifically for e-commerce, are the most important metrics. And I hope I help you guys with this video. If you like this video, really like it below, and subscribe to this channel if you want to watch similar videos. Comment down in the comments what videos do you want to watch, and I will create them. I have over 12 years experience in digital marketing. I spent over $52 million in different platforms, and mostly on Meta. I have a huge agency that we are working here, helping a lot of people. I want to see you participate in this. Thank you for watching this video and for being a valuable subscriber. And yeah, thanks.